Hi, so this is my November Sephora Playbox. I know it's late, but better late than never. Okay, sorry for the cats. Let's dig in here. Here it is. Get this out so I could read you the product information. Okay, so the first thing is a Marc Jacobs mascara. Now let's read. A jet black mascara that creates long, beautiful lashes with a unique curvy brush that builds volume starting at the hard to reach center lash line. Okay. Sorry for nosing. This is Moroccan oil treatment. Ooh, this is the oil. I love this stuff. 0.34 ounces. An argan oil hair treatment that conditions, protects, and adds shine to your strands. I agree because I've already used this stuff and I love it. Especially for damaged hair. Sorry for the cats. This is... No, that's not yours. Ultra Shine Lip Gel from Sephora. The color Perfect Nude 04. Bless you. A super light lip gel in a soft pink shade that brings out the best of your natural lip color. Bless you. Okay. Rhinosaur Serum. A skin-saving formula infused with grape water to boost hydration and soothe even the most sensitive skin. And then Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. I have used this stuff before and I love it. And that's a generous size. A gentle yet highly effective charcoal mask that draws out impurities for clear pores. Now for the scent, Burberry Blush. A fruity and beautiful feminine floral fragrance that captures the vibe of strolling through a London garden. Top notes, pomegranate and lemon. Middle notes, geranium, crisp apple, rose petal. Base notes, jasmine and wisteria. Thank you guys. Have a good day.